When I run, I just can feel strong. When I do races, I feel like I've accomplished something. In 2015, I had to have thyroid surgery. In 2019, I was diagnosed with early stage breast cancer. I mean, I try to take care of myself, but now that I've had cancer twice, it's like, oh gosh, could it happen again? Or there's always the fear of it could recur. I think it was in September, the late Chadwick Boseman had passed away, and I was at home, I was working, and I heard it on the news, and I thought, gosh, if it could happen to him, it could happen to me. He was younger, but it was just a really moving story for me. So I called to make the appointment that day. Somebody in my family actually said, well, it's COVID time, you shouldn't be getting colonoscopy. And I said, no, this is really important. Had the procedure and got the result that day that, well, there was a large polyp. I read these pathology reports, start Googling like each word, and I'm like, oh, this maybe doesn't sound so good. Then I dissect the report. So I knew it wasn't just precancerous. So it's like, oh gosh, this is just, repeat of what we just went through. We thought we were past it all. I can't believe this is happening again. And then doctor's office that had done the colonoscopy, and they said, we're going to refer you to Dr. Nam, and she may be able to do a procedure, which is endoscopic submucosal dissection.
This procedure is designed to remove large polyps or early cancer in one piece by using electrocautery knife through the endoscope. After you inject solution underneath the tumor to lift the tumor from the wall, then you use a knife to dissect the tumor little by little in order to remove the entire lesion in one piece. Most of these procedures, we perform this as outpatient. So you usually go home on the same day. You generally can resume your normal daily activity the next day. Recovery time is very fast. You also avoid the potential risk of undergoing surgery. Chance of it recur at the site is extremely low, less than 1 to 2%.
I remember we were out walking, and she's like, well, it was cancer. And but she's like, but we got it all. So it was superficial cancer. You're stronger than you think you are. And with your family and friends and faith, you can get through things like this. So.
Problem, I can't keep up with the number of medals. The time it takes me to make one, she's just accumulating medals faster than I can make the racks to hold.
It's just really important for everybody to really take advantage of the opportunities that they have to get screened. It's because you can be without any symptoms and have something going on. I'm just really very fortunate and grateful to be able to have this time back that I'm recovered. I can spend time with my family, to be out running and walking again and hoping to prepare for a marathon. Your health is really up to you to take action. I think it was in my hands in making the appointment for the colonoscopy. It's in your hands to take care of yourself and advocate for yourself and your family when it comes to healthcare.